Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two popular smart cameras, the EufyCam 2C Pro and the Blink Indoor. The question today is, which one is more user-friendly? Let's break it down. The EufyCam 2C Pro offers a solid combination of features with a 2K resolution for clear video quality. It provides two-way audio and has built-in AI for person detection, which helps avoid false alerts. The setup is easy with the use of the Eufy Security App, which has an intuitive interface. You can quickly access your camera feed, configure settings, and customize notifications. Additionally, the camera supports local storage, no monthly fees, via a HomeBase, making it convenient for users who want to avoid cloud subscriptions. On the other hand, the Blink Indoor is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Its HD video resolution offers reliable performance, and it integrates seamlessly with the Blink Home Monitor app. The app is highly user-friendly, designed for quick setup and control. It also supports cloud storage, but the most user-friendly feature is how easily it integrates with Amazon Alexa for voice control, making it a great choice for Alexa users. Which is more user-friendly? The Blink Indoor is the winner in terms of simplicity. Its easy-to-use app and integration with Alexa make it a great option for those looking for a no-fuss setup. While the EufyCam 2C Pro offers more advanced features, the Blink Indoor takes the lead for anyone prioritizing an intuitive and quick setup. Which camera would you choose for ease of use? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.